You ever walked out of an interview? 1. Yes, I did. Somewhere in 2012. The company was JP Morgan, Bangalore. I had an interview scheduled for 10:30 a.m. and when I went there on time along with others, we were made to wait on the road on a sunny day. The security didn't even allow anyone to step inside the campus in spite of having valid appointments. I won't wrong them as they were just following the orders. In spite of calling the HR person who rescheduled the interview several times, he came at 11:45 a.m. Every time I called, he asked for 5 more minutes. Once I was inside the campus, I told him what a bunch of morons those guys were for making around 40 people wait on the dusty and polluted Bangalore roads under the hot sun. I told him to his face I would never work for companies like these that treat people like shit and left. 2. A few years ago, I was interviewing with a well-known software company at Mountain View. Before that on-site interview, I was scheduled to have a telephone interview with their senior engineer. She did not call me at the scheduled time for the telephone interview. Also, she did not even send me an email about her unavailability. I waited for her call for 2 hours. Then I sent an email to my recruiter regarding the situation. The recruiter scheduled another telephone interview with some other person